Ryler is trying to stay awake while he eats. Ryler. Oh! He's had a long day and I'm not giving him naps anymore. It's funny. Hee hee hee. Are you falling asleep? Ryler. Keep your eyes open. Hi.
I put something in my nose. I put something in my nose.
You're being silly. You need to sneeze it out? No, let Mama do it.